I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Pubg and going straight to Settings. You don't need to tweak hardware first. Open the Audio or Sound tab and look for background music and music volume controls. You want to take action now. Reduce the background music slider to 0 or toggle the music switch off. Doing this mutes in-game tracks while leaving voice chat and effects intact. Once done, make sure to apply or save changes so they persist across matches and relaunches. Next, refine advanced audio so music stays off without losing important sounds. Set music volume to 0 and confirm master volume remains balanced so footsteps and gunfire are audible. If Pubg offers separate toggles for lobby music, jingles, or theme music, disable them too. Those can restart music between matches. Make sure voice chat and SFX sliders are at usable levels. If you use a headset app or system mixer, match those settings so they finally confirm changes by joining a match or practice lobby to verify the background music is gone. If music returns, restart Pubg and make sure to clear cache or app data if needed. Sometimes settings don't stick until relaunch. Check your device audio mixer, headset companion apps, and any sound-enhancing utilities as they can override game settings. If nothing works, reinstall the game as a last resort. Remember, testing after each change helps isolate where the music is being re-enabled.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.